Hi friends, this is Jeet. Let me introduce myself. This is Jeet, and today I am going to review this small, tiny speaker by Sony. And the Sony is lead you to believe that it has some extra bass. Yeah, it does have, because it has the sound radiator underneath of the speaker, which is making it very loud. Let me review this speaker first. It has a small port bay where you can find the auxiliary port and the charging port as well. Let me try to focus on it. Yeah, and it's coming with the splash resistant, which is making it little bit water resistant speaker also. And the speaker is carrying some loud bass, which is really good. Let me show you the box of this speaker. This box I got with the speaker. They give one charging port with this speaker and this wrist lanyard, which is very easy to tie with this speaker to hang on your wrist and enjoy your music wherever you go and whenever you go. And now I'm finally going to introduce you with the sound, the powerful bass of this speaker. I hope you will enjoy this sound. Now I'm going to increase, and I'm going to lead you believe that this video is not fake at all. I already reduced the sound, and now I'm going to increase the sound for this speaker for you to hear the real bass of Sony SRS XB01. Here we go, guys. As you can see, the light is blinking. How many times I'm pressing the volume up button? I stopped and it stopped as well. Enjoy the bass of Sony SRS XB01, guys. I can also hear some little distortion, but it's okay. It does what he said. It does. It's giving some good bass. Try to hear it, guys. Now I'm gonna reduce the volume to say all of you goodbye. I hope you will like the video. If you really enjoyed my video and the review I have given here, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.